The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind, a flying blue eagle in the center of a red and yellow sunflower. The Kansas State School for the Blind presents the KSSB 5-Day Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge, Day 3. This video has audio description and captions. Hi, it's time for Day 3 of the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. So far, we've worked on deep belly breathing, standing balance poses, and today we'll do balance poses on the mat along with a quick body scan. Let's go. Let's start on all fours in tabletop Barmanasana. Hands palm down on the mat and below your shoulders, knees on the mat and below your hips. Your feet can be pointed with the tops of your feet touching the mat, or they can be flexed, with your toes curled under your feet and the bottoms of your toes pressing into the mat. Inhale and lift your chin, pressing your chest and stomach to the floor in cow pose, Vidalasana, cat pose, Marjariasana as you exhale, lowering your head toward the mat, chin towards your chest, and press your back up towards the sky. Inhale and press back into cow. Exhale and slowly move into cat. Remember to press your hands into the floor. Return to tabletop or some balance work with bird dog, Parshva Balasana. Press into your left hand. Lift your right hand forward, keeping your arm straight until your arm is parallel to the floor with your palm facing in. Keeping your arm extended, slide your left foot toward the back of your mat, straightening your leg but keeping your toes on the mat. You may feel that this is enough of a balance practice for you. However, if you'd like more of a challenge, lift your left leg until it is parallel to the floor. Inhale and hold. Exhale, lower your right hand and left knee to the mat. Let's go to the other side. Press into your right hand. Lift your left hand forward, keeping your arm straight until your arm is parallel to the floor with your palm facing in. Keeping your arm extended, slide your right foot toward the back of the mat, straightening your leg but keeping your toes on the mat. Stay here if this is enough, or lift your right leg until it is parallel to the floor. Inhale and hold. Exhale, lower your left hand and right knee to the mat, bringing us back to tabletop. Slide your knees to where you want them for child's pose. Then bring your big toes toward the center of the mat until they touch one another. Keeping your arms straight, inhale slowly and sink your hips back until your bottom touches your feet. Exhale as you slide your hands forward, keeping them on the mat and bringing your forehead towards the mat between your arms. Stay here and inhale. Exhale. Lift your head and slide or walk your hands along the mat toward your knees until you are seated in an upright position. If you had your knees wide apart while in child's pose, slide them together until they meet in the middle of your mat. Your bottom is on your feet, your back straight, and the top of your head pointed towards the sky. You are now in hero pose, Virasana. Inhale. Exhale. Place your right hand on the mat beside your right hip, fingers pointed to the right. Lean your weight into that right hand. Your left arm reaches out to the left and up towards the sky, then reach over your head and to the right. Feel that stretch in your left ribs. Hold and inhale. Exhale. Bring your left hand slowly back to your left side. Place your left hand on the mat beside your left hip, fingers pointed to the left. Lean your weight into that left hand, lifting your right arm up to the right side, then towards the sky, over your head and to the left. Feel that stretch in your right ribs. Hold and inhale. Exhale. Bring your right hand slowly back to your right side. Place both your right hand and your left hand on the floor next to your right leg. Lean on both those hands and over to the right to lift your hips and slide your legs out from under you. Extend your legs on your mat out in front of your body until you are in a seated position. While you are here, slide your right hand back behind you to check how close you are to the short edge of the mat. We are about to lie down on our mats, so if you're close to the short edge, move your body down your mat so your feet are close to the other short edge of the mat. This will ensure that when you lie down, your head will still be supported by the mat. Bend your knees slightly. With your right hand, palm up, grab underneath your right thigh, and with your left hand, palm up, grab underneath your left thigh. Holding onto your legs, slowly and gently lay your back down onto the mat, allowing your hands to slide up the backs of your thighs until your back and head are resting on the floor. We will end today's practice with a quick body scan as we lie here in Shavasana, corpse pose. Fully extend your legs. Your feet are hip-width apart. Allow your toes to fall out to the sides. Your arms are extended at your sides, palms up. Slide your arms away from your body until you're comfortable with where they are. Close your eyes. Start by paying attention to where your body is contacting the floor. Feel the weight and pressure of your head against the floor, your back, your arms, your legs, your feet. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your attention back to your head. Imagine a warm light gently shining on your forehead. See if you can allow your forehead to soften. Now the light moves slowly down your face, softening your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth. Relax your tongue and your mouth. The light moves to your shoulders, starting at your neck. Imagine your shoulders softening and sinking toward the floor as the light gently warms them. That softening moves down your arms, past your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Relax those hands as your fingers melt into the floor. The light moves to your chest, then your stomach. Allow the light to warm your stomach and relax your muscles. The light moves across your hips, softening them, relaxing them. It moves slowly down your thighs, your knees, your calves, ankles, and settles on your feet. Focus on relaxing those toes. The light starts to grow bigger and wider, even bigger as it covers your entire body, bathing you in the warm glow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Start to wiggle your fingers, your toes. Open your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Gently roll yourself to your right side and use your arms to press yourself up into easy pose, Sukhasana. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I wish you a peaceful heart and a calm spirit. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind. Fade to black.